Hey lovelies! So today we are going to be making heart shape. This set of tutorials is for design, different design with the aid of Cornrow. So the first thing is to get a curve. There are different ways of making heart shape. This is just one. I use other method for heart shape. So basically get a curve up, divide into two, and add a braiding gel to the hair, not the scalp. And I'm going to create a slant on either side of the cornrow. Ensure that it's smooth. That will give you that neat look you're aiming for. So once you've done for the first side, if you have a clip, you clip it down, try the other side and create the slants. After making each of the slants, you start making the hair. Ensure you pick very tiny at the beginning to give you that pencil-like mouth, so that you have to make a lot before you get to curve the curve sections. But if you pick a lot, you will not have enough hair to get to the curve section. So when you get to the curve, you have to rotate in this hair. So here I was trying to change position. I have to change my position so that I'll be able to get to the other parts, the base of the hair. So after this rotation, you make the hair up to the end of that section. Remember, we have two sections. So this is the first part. You switch your position so as to get a space to make the hair properly. So when you get to this end, ensure that you braid the hair out as you will see me do. So you don't just stop there at the end. You have to make a little braid at the base. This ensures that the hair do not loose and you have something to hold when you are trying to make the ends, as you see exactly what I've done. Alternatively, you can use a clip to hold it to prevent it from losing. You can see what happened as I left it. That part has gone off. So it's essential that you make a little bit of a braid at the end. So once we're done with the first part, we're going to the second part. So as you move along, you change the position of the hair, your own position, not the position of the hair, because if it's a person you're making the hair for, you have to turn around and change your position. So this is the most interesting part, where you have to join the both. So you have to pick them one after the other. You know, there are 3 strands, you pick them one after the other. And once you're done with that, voila, your heart shape is ready. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.